Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to study accounts from incomplete records. Some remaining problems. Last video we studied 6 questions. Remaining 3 questions we studied today. Tomorrow also we will study 2 more questions. Today we are going to study 3 questions. Question number 7, question number 8, question number 9. Every questions are given in the Tamil Nadu Textbook Society Accountancy book. Question number 7. First I write the question. On 1/4/2018, Mr. A started business with a capital of rupees 1,20,000. Capital as on 1/4/2018. They started business. Mr. A started business with a capital of rupees 1,20,000. So the opening capital is 1,20,000. Then one particularly some information are given one by one. First information: bank overdraft rupees 50,000. Then bills receivable rupees 70,000. Then computer 30,000 rupees. Machinery 3 lakhs. Debtors 1,80,000. Stock 1,60,000. Creditors 90,000. Bills payable 2,40,000. Then cash 60,000. Then during the year, Mr. A withdrew rupees 30,000 for his personal use. So it is considered as drawings. Then additional capital 40,000. With the help of this information, we have to calculate the profit. 1/4/2018, Mr. A's capital is 1,20,000. On 31/3/2019, some particulars regarding his business is given in the question. As on 31/3/2019, he has some assets and liabilities. With the help of this information, we have to calculate profit. Then before that, the same formula is applicable in this question also. First we write opening capital at the end, closing capital at the end, add drawings less additional capital less opening capital, we can get profit or loss. So in this question, the capital at the end is not given. Remaining end information is given. Drawings rupees 30,000. So drawing amount is 30,000. Additional capital also given the question 40,000. Then opening capital 1,20,000. 1,20,000. So capital at the end is not given the question. With the help of this information, we can calculate capital at the end. How do you calculate the capital at the end? Capital at the end is calculated by preparing statement of affairs. statement of affairs as on 31/3/2019. The statement of affairs is a statement containing the balances of assets and liabilities. The statement of affairs is prepared for the purpose of finding out the capital. So, closing capital, that is capital as on 31/3/2019 is necessary. With the help of this information, we have to calculate capital. We prepare the statement of affairs. The result of this preparation is capital. So, first we write assets are entered here, liabilities are entered here. Right hand side asset, left hand side liabilities. Write all the items one by one. Bank overdraft is a liability. Bank overdraft, liability side, 50,000. Then bills received is an asset, 70,000. Then computer is an asset. Computer, 30,000. Then machinery is an asset. Machinery is an asset, 3 lakhs. Then bills, debtors value 1,80,000. Then stock 1,60,000. Stock value 1,60,000. Then creditors comes in the liability side. Creditors 90,000. Bills payable also liability 2,40,000. Bills payable 2,40,000. Cash is an asset 60,000. So we simply total it. If we total it, we can get 8 lakhs rupees. In this question, if you total these items, we will get 8 lakhs. This side total is 8 lakhs. The same 8 lakh is entered here. The difference between 8 lakh and this information is considered as a closing capital. Closing capital we have to calculate. 8 lakh minus this amount, 2,40,000 plus 90, 3,30,000, 3,80,000 is equal to 4,20,000. So capital is 4,20,000. Once again, first we prepare the statement showing profit or loss. To write the statements, we need capital at the end. Drawing is given the question, additional capital is given the question, opening capital is also given the question. So entire information is given except capital at the end. So to know the capital at the end, we have to prepare the statement of affairs as of 31/3/2019. All the assets are entered on the right hand side, all the liabilities are entered on the left hand side. Bank overdraft is a liability. Bills received is an asset. Computer is an asset. Machinery is an asset. Debtors is an asset. Stock is an asset. Creditors is a liability. Bills payable is the liability. Cash is an asset. So first we total the difference between assets and liability is equal to capital. So total in this side is 8 lakh. This side also we write 8 lakh. 8 lakh minus 3,80,000 is equal to 4,20,000. So capital at the end is 4,20,000. Add drawings 30,000. It is given the question. So total 4,50,000. Then less additional capital 4,50,000 minus 40,000 is equal to 4,10,000. Then 4,10,000 minus 1,20,000 is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Here 4,10,000 minus 1,20,000. 0, 0, 0, 0. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the profit is 2,90,000. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit. Capital at the end is calculated with the help of statement of affairs. With the help, how do you write the statement of affairs? From the given information, we have to prepare the statement. Assets are separated, liabilities are entered in the left hand side. Asset minus liability is equal to capital. So capital at the end is 4,20,000. Add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital. We can get profit 2,90,000. Then we do the next question, next problem. The same procedure, but some differ. Here opening capital is given. In the next question, opening capital is not given. Opening capital and closing capital we have to find out. So first we write the question. Here also Mr. A does not keep the books of account, does not follow the double entry system of bookkeeping. So his position as on 1/1/2018 and 31/12/2018 is given the question. Cash 80,000 on 1/1/2018, 90,000 on 31/12/2018. Stock 1,80,000 as on 1/1/2018, 1,40,000 on 31/12/2018. Then debtors 90,000 and 2 lakhs. Then creditors 1,30,000, 1,95,000. Then loan 60,000. Here also 60,000. Bills payable 80,000 and 45,000. Plant and machinery 1,70,000. This date also 1,70,000. These are all the informations given in the question. Then additional capital 50,000. Drawings rupees 2,500 per month, and each and every month he withdrew 2,500. So 2,512, the total drawings 2,512 is equal to 30,000. Then calculate profit or loss. Calculate profit or loss. So same format, statement showing profit or loss. First capital at the end, add drawings less additional capital less opening capital, we can get profit. But in this question, capital at the end as well as capital at the beginning or opening capital, both the capital is not given. Drawings and additional capital, only these two informations are given. Additional capital rupees 50,000. Then drawing is equal to 2,500 into 12 is equal to 30,000. Only these two informations are given in the question. So we have to calculate capital at the end as well as capital at the beginning. So we need two capital. So we prepare capital at the beginning. We prepare statement of face as on 1/1/2018. Capital as on 1/1/2018. With the help of this information, we know opening capital. With the help of this information, we find out the capital at the end. So first we prepare statement of affairs. Statement of affairs as on 1/1/2018. Assets are entered here, liabilities are entered here. First, cash is an asset. Cash 80,000. Stock 1,80,000. It is also an asset. Then debtors is an asset. Debtors 90,000. Then creditors is the liability. Creditors 1,30,000. Then loan is also a liability. Loan. If it is given as debit, it is an asset. If simply given as loan, it is a liability. 60,000. We borrowed some amount from creditors. So from bank or other financial institution, we borrow some amount. So loan is a liability. You are liable to pay this amount. Loan 60,000. Then bills payable 80,000. Plant and machinery asset. Plant and machinery 1,70,000. If you total it, we will get 5,20,000. This side total is 5,20,000. Same 5,20,000 is entered here also. 5,20,000. 5,20,000 minus this amount. 1,30,000 plus this 1,90,000, 2,70,000 is equal to 2,50,000 rupees is the capital. 5,20,000 minus these amounts is equal to capital. This is the answer. So here we write opening capital. Then we prepare closing capital. So statement of affairs as on 31/12/2018. We have to prepare. This side is an asset side, this side is a liability side. Assets and liabilities. Assets are entered one by one. The same thing, but this column amount is taken into account. Cash 90,000. Then stock 1,40,000. Then debtors 2 lakhs. Then creditors 1,95,000. Then loan 60,000. Then bills payable 45,000. Then plant and machinery is an asset, so it comes here. Plant and machinery 1,70,000. The total this side and the same total is entered here. 1,70,000 plus 2 lakh, 1,40,000, 9,000. If we total it, we can get 6 lakhs rupees. 6 lakhs. The same 6 lakhs is entered here also. 6 lakhs minus this amount. We will get 3 lakhs rupees. Capital at the end we can get 3 lakhs. 6 lakhs minus this amount. 1,95,000 plus 60 plus 45. 3 lakhs minus 6 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, we can get 3 lakhs. Here you write closing capital or capital at the end. So this is the opening capital. This amount 3 lakhs is the closing capital. Then with the help of this information, we have to prepare profit or loss. Statement showing profit or loss. Statement showing profit or loss. First you write capital at the end. Capital at the end 3 lakhs. Add drawings. Drawings equal to 2,500 per month. So 2,500 into 12 is equal to 30,000. So here we write 3 lakhs 30,000. Then less additional capital. Additional capital is equal to 50,000. If you subtract 3,30,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 2,80,000. Less opening capital. Opening capital already we calculate. Less opening capital, additional capital 50,000 less opening capital. Opening capital is equal to 2,50,000. So we can get a profit of rupees 30,000. 30,000 rupees profit. Once again, the drawings and additional capital alone is given this question. Drawing amount is 30,000. Each and every month he withdrew 2,500. 2,500 total is equal to 30,000. Whole year Mr. A withdrew 30,000. Additional capital 50,000. These two information is given. Then with the help of the information given the question, we have to prepare the statement of affairs on 1/1/2018. Assets are entered in the asset side, liabilities are in the liability side. The difference between asset and liability is equal to capital. Then statement of affairs on 31st December 2018. Assets are entered here, liabilities are entered here. The year-end information, the year-end amount is entered. The difference between assets and liabilities are called as a capital. So closing capital is 3 lakhs. Drawings 30,000. So 3 lakhs plus 30,000 is equal to 3,30,000. Less additional capital 50,000. Less opening capital 2,50,000. So 3 lakh plus 30,000 3,30,000. Less 50,000 2,80,000. Less opening capital 2,50,000. So we can get a profit of 30,000. This is the second question. But as per the textbook, this is question number 8. In this chapter, we have 20 questions. Last video I solved 6 questions. So 2 more questions completed now. Then one more question, I have one more question. Try to complete the question number 9 now itself. Question number 9. First I want to write the question. In the first chapter, 20 questions are given. I want to give all the 20 questions one by one. So first video I gave 6 questions. Remaining question, 2 questions I completed. Then one more question we tried to complete this video. Remaining question we will do to the next classes. Then question number 9. A does not keep the proper books of account. That means A does not maintain double entry system of bookkeeping. His position is given just like the previous question. Then 2 dates are given: 31/3/2018 and 31/3/2019 informations are given. First, cash. 31/3/2018 3,000. 31/3/2019 cash value is 4,500. Bank 5,000. Here 60,000. Here one information. Bank in the year 31/3/2018 shows the debit balance. On 31/3/2019 it shows a credit balance. So if it is a debit balance, it comes in the debit asset side. If the bank account shows a credit balance, means it's a bank overdraft. So this 60,000 is entered in the liability side. Actually this question and the previous questions are more or less same. Only the difference is here 31/3/2018 bank shows the debit balance. 31/3/2019 bank account shows the credit balance. So it is a overdraft. Then stock value 35,000, stock 35,000 and 45,000. Then debtors, here 1 lakh, here 90,000. Then plant and machinery, here 80,000, here also 80,000. Then land and building 1,40,000, here also 1,40,000. Then sundry creditors 1,70,000 and 1,30,000. These are all the information given in the question. That is, as on 31/3/2018, Mr. A's position is this. As on 31/3/2019, his position is this. That means his assets and liabilities. Then some additional information are given. His drawings would be 60,000 rupees per annum, not per pensum, per annum. Then additional capital 17,000. Provision on debtors 5%. Depreciation on machinery 10%. Calculate profit or loss. These are all the question. Once again, this is an asset. Bank, this amount comes in the asset side, this amount comes in the liability side, because bank account shows the credit balance. If the bank account shows the credit balance, means it is a liability. Stock, both are asset. Debtors, plant and machinery, land and building, sundry creditors. Drawing 60,000 per annum. Additional capital 17,000. Provision on debtors 5%. This 5% provision is calculated from closing amount. Very, very important. Depreciation on machinery. This machinery is having 10% depreciation. This amount is calculated from the closing balance. So, to know the profit or loss, we prepare statement showing profit or loss. First we write closing capital at the end, capital at the end is not given in the question. Then add drawings. Drawing is rupees 60,000. It is given in the question itself. Then additional capital less additional capital. Additional capital is also given. Additional capital is also given in the question 17,000. Then less opening capital. It is not given. We have to calculate. We have to find out profit. Profit we have to calculate. So we have to prepare. We have to prepare the statement of affairs as on 31/3/2019. First we prepare the statement of affairs as on 31/3/2018. We get opening capital. Then we prepare statement of affairs as on 31/3/2019. We can get the capital at the end. If these two informations are recorded, automatically we get the profit. But the difference between previous problem and this problem is this adjustments, these two adjustments are additionally given in this question. In the previous sum, these two informations are not given. So provision on debtors is entered in the statement of affairs as on 31/3/2019. Depreciation is also calculated in the closing figure, not from the opening figure. So first we prepare statement of affairs as on 31/3/2018. Just this column informations are entered and calculate the capital at the beginning. Statement of affairs as on statement of affairs as on 31/3/2018. First we write the assets, then we write the liabilities. First we write cash 3,000, bank 5,000. This 5,000 comes in the asset side because 5,000 in the bracket debit is given. So if the bank account shows the debit balance, it comes in the asset side. Then stock 35,000. Then debtors 1 lakh. The adjustments are entered in the closing value. The opening balance is not affected. Plant and machinery 80,000. Plant and machinery 80,000. Then land and building. Then this machinery depreciation comes into the closing figure. So opening balance sheet is opening statement of affairs is not at all affected. Land and building. Land and building value 1,40,000. Then sundry creditors 1,70,000. So the total of this side total is 3,63,000. The same 3,63,000 is also entered here. 3,63,000 minus 1,70,000 is equal to 1,93,000. 3,63,000 is this side total, asset side total. Asset minus liability is equal to capital. Here we write opening capital 1,93,000. Then we prepare the closing statement of affairs. Here we have to prepare closing statement of affairs. Statement of affairs. Statement of affairs as on 31/3/2019. Assets are entered here, liabilities are entered here. Then asset cash 4,500. Closing figure is taken into account. In this question, bank overdraft 60,000 is entered here. Then stock asset 45,000. Then debtors value, 90,000. The closing balance 90,000. Here less provision 5%. Less provision for bad and doubtful debts 5% of 90,000 is equal to 4,500. 90,000 minus 4,500 is equal to 85,500. Then plant and machinery up to debtors we have completed. Then plant and machinery 80,000. Plant and machinery 80,000 less depreciation 10%. 10% of 80,000 is equal to 8,000 rupees. 80,000 minus 8,000 is equal to 72,000 rupees. 72,000. Then 72,000 is entered here. Land and building 1,40,000. Land and building 1,40,000. Then one more information, sundry creditors 1,30,000. So here the total of asset side is equal to 3,47,000. Here also we write 3,47,000. Asset minus liability is equal to capital, that is closing capital. Closing capital is equal to 3,47,000 minus 1,90,000 is equal to 1,57,000. All the assets are entered here, liabilities are entered here. In the asset side, sundry debtors is having a provision on sundry debtors 5%. So 5% is calculated. 5% of 90,000 is equal to 4,500. 90,000 minus 4,500 is equal to 85,800. Then plant and machinery is depreciated by 10%. So 80,000, 10% of 80,000 is equal to 8,000. 80,000 minus 8,000 is equal to 72,000. If you total the asset side, we will get 3,47,000. The same 3,47,000 is entered here also. 3,47,000 minus 60 plus 1,30,000, 1,90,000. 3,47,000 minus 1,90,000 is equal to 1,57,000. This is the closing capital. Well, with the help of this information, we have to calculate the profit. Here we write statement showing profit or loss. Statement showing profit or loss. First you write capital at the end. Capital at the end rupees. This is closing capital. Rupees 1,57,000. Add drawings. Drawing amount is 60,000. 1,57,000 plus 16,000 is equal to plus 60,000 is equal to 2,17,000 less additional capital. Additional capital is given in the book's question itself 17,000. So 2,17,000 minus 17,000 is equal to 2 lakh. Less Opening capital already we calculated with the help of statement of affairs as on 31/3/2018. Opening capital is 1,93,000. So 2 lakh minus 1,93,000 is equal to 7,000 rupees profit. Dear students, anyway, we have completed 9 questions. In the previous video, we have solved 6 questions. Now, there is 3 questions I completed today. So, my dear students, please write all the questions one by one in your notebook. You refer the textbook and try to write the answer in a separate notebook. It is very helpful in the examination time. From the examination point of view, these 3 questions are expected in 3 mark question. Sometimes these types of questions are asked for 5 marks also. So, try to write all the questions one by one, then only you will get a center mark in accountancy. So, try to do all the problem one by one in a separate notebook. God bless you.